Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a B-part wig from Beauty Forever. Now of course you have seen Beauty Forever on my channel. I love Beauty Forever hair, definitely recommend them, but I have never tried out a burgundy unit from them. So I'm super excited to try this one out today, and I must say that this unit is super quality. The hair is just amazing. It felt great. You could wear this one straight out of the box. Like, it is that amazing. So definitely go ahead and check out the description box below. Now I will say that I was a little bit worried about my black hair with this color unit, but I left the least amount of hair that I could just so that it was easier to blend, and I must say that I did like it. But now looking back at it, I feel like if I left more hair out, it still could have looked really good. I don't know, like I'll have to try it again. But for this install, we're just leaving a little bit of hair out, and you'll see like I didn't do anything to this unit and it looked great. So if you have this color hair, the burgundy color hair, you have to get this unit. Like, it looks so good. I kind of wish that I had this color hair just to wear this unit because it looked so good, and the quality of this B-part wig is like, honestly guys, no other. It was super flat on my head. It fit perfectly, and I do have a larger head. So again, I would definitely recommend you guys try this one out. Shipping was quick and easy. I never have any issues with Beauty Forever hair, so I would definitely feel comfortable trying this one out. But anyway, let's just get into the install. Very simple. Again, you'll see with the duration of the video, I did zip to this hair. I didn't put any products on it, didn't shampoo it. I did, at the end of the video, I did go ahead and straighten it a little bit with my flat iron just so you guys could see it, but it did not need it. You know, it doesn't need it. If you're not really the best with doing your own hair, I would definitely recommend this to you guys because this hair does not need any help. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now, let you guys enjoy the quality of this hair like I did, and let me know what you guys think not in the description box. Let me know what you guys think below, and thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you in the next one.